Good afternoon from Okinawa, Japan, home of Okisubis. Today we're going to show you how to replace the clips for your coil packs. So if you're experiencing a misfire issue but you replace your spark plugs and you go to pull off this from the coil pack and it's broken, this little ear, this is how you would fix it. And so to replace these, you have to pop out this yellow boy here. So just using a flathead screwdriver just to pry it out. If you break it, no problem. Normally the kits come with a new one anyways. Once they're popped out, it reveals these little clips right over here. So you need to pry up on these clips to be able to get the wires out. Just pry them up and they'll all slide out just like that. Pay attention to orientation. Slide them in. Put the yellow one back on it. And boom, done.